It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. Do you see this shit? Look at this. This is an expedition. Do you see that shit? Do you see my car, nigga? Look at the Camaro. Damn. Boy, what type of dumb shit is this? Ha, Mustang stuck to. But look at the Camaro. Ha, Mustang stuck to. But this shit don't make no sense. Nigga, it's a Sebring stuck. The other expedition across the street can't even get in the door. We got one silly bastard out here shouting. Let's fuck around with his ass. Fuck around with me, I'm out here taping. You see this shit? I had to beat the front door open. Look at this, the front door. Fuck work. Fuck going anywhere today. Nigga, it's still snowing. It ain't even supposed to stop till like 3. This shit don't make no sense. This shit is retarded. How the fuck they gonna warn us about a snowstorm 3 days in advance and they wasn't ready for the shit 3 days later? This shit is stupid. I'm going in the house. I guess I'm gonna get some points today. This ain't what's happening, Captain.